Hello students, this is the Ioqm 2020 paper solution, which is an assimilation of pre-RMO and RMO from now on. Okay, so there is no separate examination. So ABCD is a trapezium, and where AB and CD is this. AB equal to 3CD. This is possible trapezium. Let it be like A, B, C and D. AB and CD parallel. AB is thrice of the CD. E is the midpoint of the diagonal BD. E. So if ABCD is 10 into CDE triangle, so which is the value of N, area of the geometrical figure. So ABCA, if we do ABD and BCA. Now let's take a value 3x by 2 into h and xh by 2. So this is 4xh by 2, so 2xh. This is the value of this. Now CDE is half of BDC. So half xh by 4. So ABCD by CDE, if we compare the areas, so this is 2xh by xh by 4 gone, so 8. So ABCD is 8 into CDE, hence n equal to 8. That's the first question. Let's go to the second one. A number n to the base of 10 is 503. And to the base of B, and 305 is the base of B plus 2. What is the product of the digit of n? B plus 2. So n equal to 5b square plus 3, and this is 3 into b plus 2 whole square plus 5. So 5b square minus 2 equal to 3 into b square plus 4 plus 4b. So 2b square minus 12b minus 14 equal to 0. So b equal to minus 7 and b plus 1. So the value of b will be positive, so 7. Now if it is 7, so n is 5 into 49 plus 3, so that is 248. So product of the digits are 2 into 4 into 8, 64. So answer to question number 2 is 64. From this year they have stopped giving the options, so it's going to be a little bit more challenging for you all. Okay, so 2k plus 1 summation of k square plus k 0.9 determine the value. Okay, so we can start over here. So k plus 1 we can write 2k plus 1 and k square into k plus 2 whole square, point quadruple 9. So we can take 1 by k into k plus 1 common. So 1 by k and 1 by k plus 1. Again, summation of 1 by k plus 1. So this is 1 by k square just put the value. So n equal plus 1 is 100, so n is 99. So the value of n is 99.